avocado salad is all about using an abundance of fresh ingredients and a complementary blend of flavors. And I know you're gonna like this because it's easy to throw together and no cooking is required. I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. So here is my cucumber washed already, and I like to keep the peel on, but you can peel yours if you prefer, or peel parts and leave the other. Then I'll go ahead and give this a cut. I'll cut it into a smaller shape. Do you know that cucumber can make you stay hydrated? Yes, it can also make your skin to glow. It regulates your digestion too. So I'm going to place this in a clean bowl, and I'll be using tomatoes. It's washed also, and I'm going to dice this. Tomatoes can help you maintain a strong bone and also good for your eyes. So we'll slice this, and I'm going to be placing this in my bowl. Okay, next I'll be using sweet corn, and this sweet corn is boiled already. Sweet corn contains iron, folic acid, and it also prevents anemia. It boosts energy, and it's also high in fiber. Okay, the next thing is my onion. If you like a milder flavor, soak it in cold water for about 10 minutes before adding it to your salad. Onion helps to improve our immune system and our overall health. Okay, the next thing is our avocado. This is a ripe avocado. An avocado contains an impressive amount of nutrients and are especially rich in fiber, vitamin E and B. So I'll drizzle some olive oil on it, and this will help to tie the other ingredients. So this is my freshly squeezed lemon juice. Lemon juice makes the whole salad so fresh and flavorful. Please don't add too much so it wouldn't be too acidic. To taste great, all this require a good pinch of salt and some freshly ground black pepper. So I'll mix everything gently. Mix gently until all the vegetables are coated in the condiment and slightly creamy from the avocado. Taste and adjust for salt before serving. And look at how colorful this is. If you have not subscribed till now, please, what are you waiting for? Touch that subscription button, turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I upload new video, and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to drop your comment at the comment section. Because of the avocado in this salad, it should be served shortly after preparing it, as avocado can start to break down. Also, the salt in the dressing will start to draw liquid from the tomatoes and cucumber. So another reason to serve shortly after preparations. If you're making this salad ahead of time, add the avocado at the last minute just before eating the salad. This way it will not go brown. Okay, so see you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe. And from me is bye.